Be a laser focused student. Be a laser focused student. We all want success in our life. We all want success. I think you all want success. Now, to succeed in our life, what we need? We need some good decision. Please listen, this is very important. If we really want to be successful, again, if you ask me, sir, what is success? If you want to ask me what is success, I would only say success means happiness. If you are happy, you're successful. If you are happy, you're successful. But maybe you have some professional dreams in your life. Maybe you are working something and you have some professional dreams. You want to succeed in your life. You need some good decisions in your life. And to make your good decisions, you should have some better knowledge. So knowledge is important, because if you have knowledge, if you have awareness, you can take better decision. Always remember, guys, people who are more knowledgeable, people who are more aware, they take better decisions. And the more better decision you take, the better decision you take, you will be more successful in your life. And to be more aware, to have more knowledge, it is very important that you be a student. You be a student first. I'm not talking about whether your son is a student or not, your daughter is a student or not. The first and foremost thing is whether you are a student or not. Maybe today you are aging more than 20 years, but that doesn't mean that your age of gathering knowledge is over. If you feel you are a student, you will gain knowledge. Again, the same cycle. If you have knowledge, you will take better decision. If you have better decision, you will be successful. So सब कुछ घूम फिर के आता है कि we should become a better student. Better student. Now, to become a better student, I think we have the sources, rather resources. अरे अच्छे स्टूडेंट के लिए जो रिसोर्स हमको चाहिए, the resource, I think the day we have our phone, the day we have the Google, the day we have information, we can go to our mobile and we can search any information anytime. That's the power of internet right now. So you can gather information. So problem is not knowledge, information. The problem is distraction. The problem is distraction. I want to concentrate in the class. Suddenly I get a notification in my phone and I see my phone. Kya ho gaya? Kya kaun phone kiya abhi? I've seen so many people, they do class, they have joined class, they have paid for the class. Wherever they have the call, they start, they start talking. Even the class is on, even the teacher is teaching, and they are on call. There are some people, they switch off their camera and then they call. The problem is not knowledge. The problem is not the source of knowledge. The problem is distraction. Distraction is dangerous. Now you think about, see, you are adult now. If you're married, if you have children, you want your son and daughter to be focused, isn't it? Right? You want your daughter, your son to be focused. I want my daughter, my son to be focused. But the question is, am I focused? Because if I am not focused, I cannot expect focus from them. That is the reason today's topic is be a laser focused student. Be a laser focused student. Now you will say that, sir, I'm not a student. We all are student. We all are student. We all are student because we are learning every time. Even right now at the age of whatever age I have, I'm learning every time. Even KK sir is aging 75 plus. Even he is learning every time. Now the question is, are you a distracted student or focused student? That's the question. So guys, welcome to this new school of IDQMs. This is a new school. Why it is a new school? Why it is a new school? Because we believe in new attitude. New attitude. We believe in new attitude. If I ask you, how can we be more focused? How can we be more focused? Your answer could be, sir, we have to be punctual, we have to be regular, we have to be hardworking. These are there. But these everybody, we know that. And these are so old school. These are all old school. Guys, I just want you right now, the topic is focus. So I really want you to be focused. At least topic का थोड़ा ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा ना, बाद में आप focus ना रहो अलग बात है, but right now the topic is focus and you have to be double focus. And so that you should become focused, I really want that you should not write anything, rather, because I'll be giving you the PDF form. Don't worry about the information. Have a focus mindset. That is more important. Okay, dedication, punctuality, regularity. These are, I think these are old school. We all know that. One of the primary assets of focused student is mind mastery. Mind mastery. You have to master your mind. If you really want to be focused, you have to master your mind. And you know, the day you become focused, you will see your daughter is focused, your son is focused. Everything starts with I. Before telling anybody, be focused, you have to check yourself that am I focused or not. And why it is important? Because today there are many sources which can distract you. And the bigger source is your phone. You want to study, suddenly a notification comes and you get distracted. The problem is not that knowledge is not available. The problem is we are distracted. If we are distracted, we will not be able to gather knowledge. If we will not have knowledge, we will not be able to take some good decisions. And if we will not be able to take good decisions, we will never be successful. So everything starts from concentration. Concentration. This is very important. Right now, I'm talking to you. If I think about what my wife is doing, what my son is doing, what my daughter is doing, I will never be able to give my best. Right now, you are learning. Right now, it is 9 o'clock. I know, being a housewife, most of you have many responsibilities at your work. Many people will come and tell you, ask you for help. You will get distracted. If you get distracted, you will miss something very much important. Even I don't know what will you miss, but you will miss for sure. The problem is not that we don't have knowledge. The problem is we are distracted very easily. So guys, either you are confused or concentrated. Either you are concentrated or confused. या तो आप पूरे कंफ्यूज हो, आपको खुद पता नहीं कि करना क्या है, आप कंसंट्रेट करने जाते हो, आपका माइंड आपको कहीं और लेके चला जाता है. अगेन आप कंसंट्रेट करना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू कंसंट्रेट, अगेन योर माइंड टेक्स यू समवेयर एल्स. ऐसे होने से नहीं चलेगा. यू विल नॉट लर्न समथिंग. इमेजिन यू ऑल हैव इन्वेस्टेड मनी. Why? Because you thought, you have taken decision that if I join here, I will be benefited. Today, I'm not going to talk about grammar, fluency. No. Today, I want you to concentrate. I want to teach you how to concentrate so that in your other classes, you are more concentrated. Whenever there is a class, try to switch on your camera. That will help you to concentrate. Now, I don't know how many reasons you have not to switch on your camera. But I'm telling you, if you switch on your camera, that will help you to concentrate. If you concentrate your input, you will take most of the thing from the classes. आप क्लास से ज्यादा ले पाओगे, हो सकता है 1% आप ज्यादा लोगे. Not for me, I'm not interested to see everybody, but if you switch on, it will be beneficial for you. That's the reason I always say, we always say during workshop also, switch on your camera, because this is so much important. It will make you more focused. Because when you switch off your camera, you feel that my trainer is not looking at me, so you can do anything. You lack this, you get distracted. Think of a student of a victim mentality. Think of a student of a victim mentality. Victim mentality means जिसके साथ जिसके साथ हमेशा बुरा होता है. Victim mentality, it means a student who always faces problem. That is victim mentality. Think of a student of a victim mentality. You will see they waste their time and money. Guys, I told you, you are a student. आप हमेशा student ही हो. It's not that you go to school, then you become student. You are student 24 hours. The question is, either you are a good student or bad student. Here, good means focused student or distracted student. Focus means you see everything, even you see what is written here. Even you see what is written, what is there at my back, what are the different colors. You are focused, so you see everything. That is called focus. You see each and every part of the screen when you are listening. Focus. People who are focused, they see many things. They see many things. Think of a student who always plays with the phone even when their class is on. There are people, they always play with their phone even their class is on. And when this happens, most of the time when we do the public speaking, try to understand, when you do the public speaking, suppose it is my turn, I'm speaking, others are not listening, others are playing in the phone, because their chances is done. They have already spoken, or maybe they want to speak, so they will speak later. Guys, when others are speaking, you have to watch them. How are they speaking? How that person is using the hand? How is the eye contact? Why should only coach will see the body language? Why should the other listener should also see the body language of the other speaker? If you are focused, you will get more from the training. See guys, this is the same classroom. Some people say, yes, sir, I'm not improving. Some people say, sir, I can see my improvement in 1 month. Why there is a difference where the coaches are same, everything is same? The only reason is focus. If you are not focused, because I have never talked about focus, but I've seen this many times, that when somebody is talking, when somebody is giving the presentation, others are doing their own work because their chance is done. They have already spoken. Because the more you see, the more you listen, the more you will get. And that is the reason it is said, if you want to be a very good communicator, you have to be a good listener first. The more you listen, even right now, you are not only listening me, you are also seeing my hands, you are also seeing my body language, you are also seeing my eyes, because you are focused. If you are focused, then if you are focused, then you could also get one very important feeling that today sir is not using the headphone. Today sir is using the white headphone. Normally sir uses the black headphone. You might feel that. I don't know whether you have got that idea or not, but if you really focus, you will see everything what that person is doing. That is focused. That is focus. Laser focused student is an observer. Observer, he or she observes everything. He or she observes everything. There are two ways to observe. Always remember, guys, there are two ways to observe. The first way is sight. What you see from your eyes, you will see many things. What you see from your eyes, you will see many things. And the second is insight. You will see insight. You see with your mind. You will see many answers. Guys, there are two things, sight and insight. These two things are very important. So whenever you focus on something, you focus on the right thing. That is very much important. You don't only see things, you try to think about everything. That is also focus. Either we are distracted or we are focused, and you have to decide, are you focused or are you you get distracted very easily. For a very for your what should I say, for your betterment, for so that you can easily understand. If I say, when you focus, you always see the positive thing. This is a clue I am giving to make you understand that you are a focused person or you are a distracted person. When you focus, you always get positive thing. When you are distracted, you always see the negative things. For example, so many times it happens. Suppose so many of you give your performance. I told you that, okay, you do your video and you send your video to me. So many times I do it. So many of you post your video in the recreation group. Okay, you post your video in the recreation group. Sometimes I get time, I see your video, I do the comment. Sometimes I don't get time, so I don't give anything, any comment. Sometimes maybe I don't see your performance, so I don't give comments. Sometimes, so what happens, some people, they get distracted that why sir is not giving me feedback. Sir is giving feedback to so many people. Why sir is not giving feedback to me? This is called distraction. What is focus? My job is to make my video and send it. When sir will see, and sir has a lot of students. So, maybe sir didn't see my video. So I should not think anything negative. When you are focused, you will never see negative things. When you are distracted, then only all these negative things come. That, sir is not seeing my message. Sir, I have shared my family picture. Sir has not commented on that. These are all distractions. So these are small things, when you are focused, you never see negative things. You always see, because you use your mind. That is called insight. Sight is what you see, and insight means what you feel. So these two things you have to maintain. जो आप देख रहे हो उसको भी ठीक करना है कि मेरे को सही देखना है. जो आप सोच रहे हो, that is your insight, उसको भी आपको सही करना है. Otherwise you will be defocused. And yes, both are important. Both are important. So guys, pay attention. Do not miss anything. Pay attention. Do not miss anything. The greatest fatalities to success is preoccupation. 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 The greatest fatalities to success is preoccupation. Means if you have preoccupation, अगर आपके पास preoccupation होगा, you will never be successful in your life. What is preoccupation? You know, I'll tell you. Preoccupation means when you are focused, you are thinking about future, you are thinking about past. That is called preoccupation. Again, I'm repeating, this is very important. When you're focused, right now you all are listening me. So you are listening me in the present. This is present. If you are thinking, what will happen if I, this topic is so important. Is this topic so important? You are thinking about something which is not related to present. आपको लग रहा है कि ये टॉपिक आपको फ्यूचर में हेल्प नहीं करेगा. दिस टॉपिक विल नॉट हेल्प यू इन फ्यूचर. यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर. Maybe you are thinking about past. Right now it is present, but you are thinking about past. Whatever. अरे यार मैंने चावल गैस में चढ़ाया था, उसको मैंने रखा कि नहीं, स्विच ऑफ किया कि नहीं उस रूम का. You are thinking about past. These are called preoccupation. Preoccupation. If you have any preoccupation, you will never be able to focus. When you focus, you are in the present moment. You are listening me, you are seeing me, you are observing me. And when you observe, sometimes you observe my body language also. ऐसे कुछ मेरे स्टूडेंट हैं और ऐसा मैं भी बहुत समय किया हूँ. I have also done it. There are many students, they tell me that, sir, I observe you so much that sometimes I feel I talk like you, I move my hands like you. There are people, they say that. Even forget about them. I have done it so many times. Even I have copied KK Mandal sir in so many ways. Even I have copied many people जिनको मैं बहुत मानता हूँ. I admire them. So how can we copy? Being focused. When we focus so much, we start talking like them. We start using our body language like them. Copy in a positive sense. I'm not talking about किसी का mimicry करना. I'm not talking about mimicry. But I'm talking, if you see something positive, you focus so much on that particular thing that you start becoming like that person. If any one of you feel that I want to be like him or I want to be like her, I want to be a very good communicator like him, I want to be a very good communicator like her, focus. उस पे फोकस करो, आप बन जाओगे. फिर आपको, you have to develop more, but you will become like that. Sometimes it is very important to focus. Focus on what you want. So guys, always remember, wherever you are, be there. Wherever you are, be there. Means right now you are in the class. So be here. Be here. Don't think about anything else. It is said, reach to zero in mindset. Zero in mindset. Zero in mindset. Zero in mindset means when you are having the bow and arrow, you're pulling that arrow. You are not thinking about future, क्या होगा, लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा. You are not thinking about past. You are only thinking about the present moment, and that present moment is called zero in moment. Always remember this, huh? Zero in moment. Zero in moment means zero in moment is the present moment. Right now, you all are listening. If you are thinking anything about past or anything about future, you are gone. It means your concentration is gone. It means you get distracted. You know, guys, a very good example I will give. Many of you, I don't know who, but many of you have planned many things in your life. आपने अपने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ प्लान किया होगा. And you are scared also. आप डरे हुए भी हो कि वो होगा कि नहीं होगा. I don't know, but I'm just thinking. Many of people, they make plan, they work on it, and at the same time they are scared of कि मेरा क्या होगा in future. If you are working on your goal, future में positive ही होगा. If you are thinking in future it will be negative, then you are getting distracted again. Anytime you are thinking about future or past, you are distracted. Simple. You are only living the present moment. You focus on what is happening right now. You will never be defocused. Suppose there are many people who have invested money with IDQ value added and they are thinking about future, whether I'll be speaking very good English or not. If you are thinking about your future, you are distracted again. What is present? This is the class happening. I have to be a very good listener. Okay, this is the public speaking. So I have to speak. I have to focus on speaking. And when I'm not speaking, I'm listening everybody. And I'm seeing everybody. If you are, while you are listening, if you are seeing your mobile, you get distracted. Guys, I'm just telling because this is not so big topic, but this is a topic which is creating problem. That is the reason I have chosen this topic. This topic will not directly help you, but indirectly this will create something in your life that wherever you are, you be there only. That is very much important. No doubt, you will overcome your obstacle. You will overcome your obstacle. आपको कोई रोक नहीं सकता if you are focused. If you're focused on your goal, nobody can stop you. You know, guys, when somebody plays basketball, they see the basket only so that they can throw the ball into the basket. Be monomaniacally focused. This word is very outstanding. Be monomaniacally focused. Mono means one. Be monomaniacally focused. I'm here. Every week, I'm giving my 5, 6, or 7 hours in IDQ. So when I'm at IDQ, I am at IDQ. I am not a housewife. I'm not an actor. I'm not a businessman. I'm not a doctor. When I'm at the IDQ, I'm a student. I'm learning something. And nobody can distract me. I will just bolt it up the door so that nobody can come to my room. I am here, so I am here. I'm a student. I'm learning. That is called monomaniacally focused. Be present at the moment to win the moment. When you present at the moment, you win the moment. What a line. When you are present at the moment, you win the moment. You win the moment. This is very, very important, guys. This moment is very much important. So, guys, when you are at the IDQ, you are learning. Suppose you are reading a book. So you are not only reading, you are basically working your mind. Great mind at work. When you are concentrated, there's a great mind at work. So you cannot get distracted so easily. But I don't understand why some people, they get all the calls. Koi bhi phone aaya, they take it. I have seen so many people, they are having dinner and they are talking. Yes, tell me. They are having dinner and they are talking. Some people, they are talking and they are driving. Some people, they are sitting at the dinner table and they are talking in call. Neither they are focused on the call nor they are focused on the food. These are the way we get distracted. Our mind is not able to focus on one thing. I'm telling why people are not focused. Because we take all the calls. हम सारे calls लेते हैं. मतलब जो भी call आए, जब भी call आए, हम लोग हर समय phone उठाते हैं. There is no any priority. There is no any priority. So have some priority call. Don't take all the calls. If the call is very important, then only take the call. If you're focused on one thing, don't take all the calls. Have the priority dinner. Your family will appreciate an uninterrupted dinner hours. Even when you are having dinner, focused on dinner, focus with your family. अब आप बोलोगे सर मैं डिनर के टाइम फोकस रहता हूं लेकिन मैं दूसरे चीज में फोकस नहीं हुआ. आई एम फोकस व्हाइल हैविंग डिनर. आई एम नॉट फोकस्ड ऑन अदर. Your mind only understand focus or distraction. So if you are not focused on one thing, it means it is hampering so many fields in your life. So if you focus even during your dinner, this will help you to be focused in other part of your life also. You have to be focused everywhere. What's your peak time? You should know what's your peak time. If you are a morning person, get the job done in the morning. Guys, this is a very important point. Whoever is listening me right now, some people are morning people, some people are night people. You better know that. Like if you ask me, I'm a night people. I concentrate more during night time. But some people are very much active during morning time. You know what does it mean? It means your concentration power becomes more during that hours. और वो concept गया कि भाई early to bed, early to rise. Some people, they are doing best at night. Yeah, they wake up a bit late, but they do best work at night. And some people, they cannot work at night. They can work only in the at the morning, in the morning. So you should know what is your peak time. You are a morning person or you are a night person. And I believe that you should choose that time and you should practice English because that time your focus is top position. आपको क्या लगता है आप रात वाले इंसान हो तो you should practice at night most of the time. You know क्या होता है when your energy is more and you focused on particular thing, your output will be better. Suppose you are a night person और आप English practice कर रहे हो घर पे morning, you will never be interested. But suppose you are a night person, you are at home, nobody is disturbing you, all are asleep. Now you practice, it will help you more. This is called being focused. So guys, what is your peak time? You are a morning person or night person, you should know. If you are a night person, save those tough jobs for the night. You should know what is your peak time. This is very much important. Be at the beach when you are at the beach. There are some people, they go to the beach and they think about office. Some people, when they are in the office, they think about beach, beach, beach. Means when they are in the office, they are not concentrating in the office. Then they are in the beach, they are not concentrating on the beach. And this is the problem. You are not focused. Okay, this is very important. When you are at the beach, you are at the beach. You are not in the office. So enjoy the fullest. Recently, I've been into, Goa. So I told everybody, don't disturb me. I really wanted to focus on me and my family and my own me time. And ये सबका right है, right? That when we are at the beach, when you are at the beach, be at the class when you are at the class. Now you are in the class, so you are here, and you are watching me. So I'm everything for you. Yes, you are listening. That is the reason I'm telling. If I listen you become everything for me. But you are giving your time. You are giving your time. So you focus. Now some people will say, sir, I focus. But every time, whenever I focus more, I get distracted. I don't know whether it happens with you or not. But there are so many people, they focus, something happens, it takes out the focus. This happens with many people. I'll tell you what to do. So guys, be at the class when you're at the class. Be at the office when you are at the office. This will help you to become more focused. Work at work and play at play. Do not mix the two. Do not play at work. Do not play at work. Do not work during you play. This is a very important thing. When you're playing, don't put work there. And when you're working, don't play. These two things are very serious. These two things are very, very serious. Don't mix work and play together. Right now you are working. You are not playing. Right now you all are working. You are listening me and trying to do some changes here. I know I'm talking right now and there are 33 people are listening me. And I know that all 33 people are not focused. Some people are getting distracted. But if even a one person is focused and listening me without any other reservation, I know that person will definitely succeed in his or her life. If you're focused, you will get what you want in life. Focus, concentration can be learned, but only when you know why it is so important for you. So very good information. So guys, being focused is not a born skill, it is a learned skill. ऐसा नहीं कि ये इंसान पैदा होता है फोकस करके. No, it can be learned, but you can only learn being focused when you know why it is important to be focused. अगर आपको यही नहीं पता कि फोकस होने से क्या होगा, you will never be focused. So it is very important and you can learn how to be focused. Micro concentration can improve if you work on it a little every day. So every day. So now the main part is coming. मेरे को करना क्या है? Till now I have talked about that being focused is very much important. Now what you have to do every day, if you know this is important for me, so I focus on this. मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, still I'm focused because that is important for me. I'm in the class, I will focus myself. Okay, my practice is done, still I will focus how other people are speaking, what my coaches are speaking. You have to be focused. This is very much important. And every day, it is called micro concentration. Micro concentration. Micro मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा करके practice करें. Micro means थोड़ा थोड़ा. If you feel that this is the right time to focus right now. Slowly. हाँ, एक डर क्या है? There's only one problem. You get distracted. Suppose your phone rings, you get an SMS, you get a distraction. The attention get distracted. You bring back your attention here. Again, your focus distracted. You bring back your focus here. Again, you get distracted. You bring back your focus here. This is the way you can be focused. We can get distracted, but there should be a system inside which will bring back my focus. Defocus आप हो सकते हो, बट आपके दिमाग में कुछ होना चाहिए जो आपको फिर से फोकस करने में मजबूर करे. This is very much important, guys. Always remember, combine hunger and concentration, the deadly combination. Your hunger and your concentration. If you are really hungry to be a very good communicator, if you are really hungry for it, I will become a very good, impressive communicator. And at the same time, you are concentrating on whatever things are happening. It's a deadly combination. Some people, they don't have a hunger of communicating impressively. किसी को लगा होगा कि okay, English सीखना अच्छा है, to speak English good, so let's take admission. This is not a hunger. Hunger means if I can't communicate, I will never reach anywhere. मैं कहीं नहीं पहुंचूंगा. I want to communicate because to achieve my goal in my life, I need this badly. I need this badly. Achha, you think about my need. My job, my profession is linked to communication. If I am not a good communicator, my business will not go. So you can understand what will be my hunger to become a good communicator. I am teaching how to communicate, but if I can't communicate, my business will be nowhere. चलो आपका तो अलग है, आप नहीं करोगे भी तो कैसे कैसे हो जाएगा बेटे. I am not a good communicator, I will not reach anywhere. You can understand what is the intensity of the need to become a good communicator for me. So if the hunger is more and I'm at the same time I'm focused also, it will give me better return. Like that, if you have the hunger to be a good communicator and at the same time you are focused, it's a deadly combination. ये बहुत deadly combination. There are some people I've seen, they are improving in a fast speed, in a rapid speed. कुछ लोग हैं जो बहुत जल्दी डेवलप कर रहे हैं because they are super focused. They have big hunger, भूख है कि मेरे को एक अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर बनना है. It's a deadly combination. So guys, when maximum people of the world are confused, when maximum people of the world are confused, you are hungry and concentrated. जब दुनिया के ज्यादा लोग confused हैं, आप hungry हो to become a good communicator, and at the same time you have the concentration. So guys, why people are distracted? Some people will say, sir, mobile is the big reason why we are distracted. But this is not the reason, guys. Mobile cannot be a distraction if we master the mobile. But sometimes mobile हम पे हावी हो जाता है ना, तब ऐसा problem होता है. But if you become the master of your mobile, you will never get distracted. So technology in itself is not a bad thing. It's actually a beautiful thing as long as we are in charge of it. So who is managing the phone? You are managing the phone or the phone is managing you? आप फोन को कब लेते हो? जब आपको जरूरत होता है तब, या हमेशा चिपके रहते हो आप मोबाइल के साथ? Think about it. Because this mobile can be a very good source or it can be a very bad source. and you have to decide your mobile distracts you or it helps you. So who is the in charge? You have to decide it. It's training, you know. Is your mobile is mastering you, or you are mastering your mobile? That's you need to answer to yourself. Okay, guys, so we are at the concluding part. There are two reasons why people lack concentration. So guys, there are two reasons why people they lack concentration. The first reason is reason number one, we have never been taught how to concentrate. We have never been taught how to concentrate. हमें कहीं पे सिखाया नहीं गया कि कैसे concentrate करना. This is the first reason why we don't give importance to this. Reason number two, we do not practice this game of concentration. हम लोग practice ही नहीं करते. We never practice how to concentrate. So guys, I told you a very important point, and again I'm telling you, the art of concentration is the art of keeping awareness, that ball of light. Be aware of the game, bring it back. This is a very important game. Bring it back. Bring it back. What is that? If you are doing something, you focus on it, you tell yourself that I'm right now doing a very important job, so I concentrate on this. If suppose I get distracted, I bring myself back. Again, if I get distracted, I bring it back. This is a very important way to get your concentration in your control. Very small thing, but the problem is not that we get distracted. The problem is we don't try to bring it back. The time you will keep on trying to bring it back, the chances are there that you will get what you want. But even if you don't care to bring it back, things will be in a big dangerous situation. You can get distracted, but you can save yourself by bringing your concentration back to the work. So bring it back. This is important practice. And yes, this is called practice. इसे ही practice बोलते हैं. We have never practiced, so we have never been so focused. Now practice to be focused. Practice to be focused. Concentrate on one thing for an extended period of time. Concentrate on one thing for an extended period of time. So if you want to concentrate on something, keep your focus there. Be focused for a long time. These are the way you can be more focused. Practice concentration. Every time you speak with your child, practice concentration. Every time you speak with your child, you speak with your child. और कोई नहीं रहेगा. When you're speaking with your wife, you speak with your wife. When you speak with your husband, you speak with your husband. I know this is not possible, but it is important. It is right. It is important to be focused. Right now, you are listening me. You are not listening anything else. You are just listening me. That is called focus. I'm talking to you, even I don't know what is happening in other rooms. I'm only focused on you. Even I don't get the sound of the fan. I don't get the sound of anything. अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ तो मुझे सब दिख रहा है. But till now, अभी तक, I think more than 45 minutes I have been speaking. I have not even seen anywhere else but on the screen. This is called focus. Focus. That is called focus. When you focus, you see many things. If you can't concentrate, you can't expect your child to concentrate. This is the hard truth. If you can't concentrate, don't expect that your your child will concentrate. This is a very important part. Keep bringing awareness back and keep it focused on one thing at a time. Again, every time एक ही बात बार बार आ रहा है. When you are focused on that particular thing or on that particular person. You're focused on one thing, and that is called monomaniacally focus. And yes, there is very important part which I want to add here. You know, it is said people who are doing exercise, I don't know whether you do exercise or not, but it is said people who do exercise, they are more focused. थोड़ा टाइम दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग सोचो इस बारे में. You know, there are some people, they wake up at one day they wake up at 5 a.m. Another day they wake up at 7. Other day they wake up at 9. They always change their time. There are people, I'm not telling you. If you change your, when you wake up, the time, if you change every time, it will make you distracted every time. It is very important that you get yourself ultra fit. Ultra fit. Because it is said, the more great health you have, the better your brain will perform. If you are not doing exercise, you cannot focus. Because right now, we are not into physical class. So right now you are in a physical class, you are sitting, sometimes you will have pain, you will have back pain. Oh my God, there's a back pain. Sometimes you will have, I have seen so many times in the live class, so many people are doing that. If somebody is focused, he or she will never do like this. This is very important. And that is the reason, if you do exercise, your body will be always fit, ultra fit, your body will be fit, so your mind will be fit. So don't do exercise because you want to reduce your weight. No. Do exercise because that will make you more focused. वो आपको और ज़्यादा focus करेगा. I do exercise. I don't do exercise to reduce my weight. I do exercise to be more focused. The more great health you have, the more energy, stamina you will have to bring on the fire of your finest talent. This is very important. The more you have the great health, it will help you in your life. You will be more focused. You will be having more stamina. You will be ultra fit. So guys, I told you very important facts. So get up every day at the same time. It will make you focused. Get up every day at the same time. It will make you ultra fit and more focused. This is very important. आप 7 बजे उठते हो तो 7 बजे उठो. If you wake up at 6, you wake up at 6. If you wake up at 8, you wake up at 8. Don't change, don't do, because your mind is getting distracted every time you are changing the timings. That is very important. Even if you are taking breakfast, don't change the time. Even I would say when you get up in the morning, eat breakfast. That's really an important things to do. Yeah, this is also important. Eat your breakfast. That is very much important. Guys, in short, have vision in life. Guys, आप क्यों इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो? Why are you learning English? Why are you learning communication? Because you have some vision, some planning is going on in your mind. कुछ चल रहा है आपके दिमाग में. That vision is very important. Your purpose is very important. Why you want to be a good communicator? That is very much important. So guys, Have vision in your life. अगर आपको लग रहा है ना that no sir, I always every time I focus I get distracted, maybe you don't have vision in life. हो सकता है कि आपकी लाइफ में कोई गोल ही नहीं है. You don't have goal in life. अगर गोल ही नहीं होगा तो आप फोकस कैसे होगे? It's very important that you be focused, but you should have a goal. अगर गोल ही नहीं होगा तो आप फोकस नहीं कर पाओगे. And at the same time, write journals. This is also very important. Write journals. I believe you know what is journal. Journal is every day you write what you want to do. आज मैं ये करूंगा. Today I will do this. Today I will do this. Today I will do this. Tomorrow I will do that. Tomorrow I will do that. After 6 days I'll do that. When you schedule your life, you will see everything will go as per your way. लाइफ आपके हिसाब से चलेगा, आप लाइफ के हिसाब से नहीं चलोगे. यू विल लीड योर लाइफ. आप जैसा बोलोगे आपका लाइफ वैसा चलेगा. So guys, today we have talked about a very important part that is called being laser focused. So in short, if you want to know, being focused means live in the present moment. If you are listening me, you are listening me, listening nothing, nobody else. So that concentration is very, very much important.